Hi, in today's video, we're going to talk about how to get money off Kikoff. Watch the video until the end to learn this and much more. To withdraw money, visit the nearest Allpoint ATM with your Kikoff secured credit card. Here's how to proceed. Insert your card as directed at the ATM. Enter your PIN. Proceed to tap Withdraw from the list of options. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your Kikoff account. Ensure that you enter the correct information and finish the transaction. Allow some time to process your request. Once approved, the ATM will expel the cash. Remove your card from the ATM and exit the withdrawal page. Confirm that you received the correct amount. If you experience challenges with your card or ATM withdrawal, contact Kikoff's customer service team at 1-856-249-3780 for further assistance. The phone number is in the description. It's important to note that you won't incur any extra charges when you withdraw at an Allpoint ATM. So there you have it. Follow these steps to get money off Kikoff. Thanks for watching till next time.